Alright guys, so we just pulled up to the car meet. Like you guys can see, there's some crazy cars over there. Barely hear anything over there, guys. I can barely even talk to you guys. This thing is sick. F80? Border Patrol over there. It's gonna take everybody. They're literally dancing over there. Truck, man, it's beautiful, bro. This is my first time ever seeing a Shelby truck. This is my first time ever, and I love it. I'm not really a fan of those trucks, but I love that one. That one's sick. Godzilla, Godzilla, and Godzilla. God damn. I like your costume, bro. I like your car too. Holy shit. That scared me a little bit. Bro, he got an iPad and a GTR as a screen. That's crazy. Look at those TEs, boys. Man, those are nice. Man. Oh, shit. Hey, do it again real quick. Do it again. That shit sounds sick, bro. What the fuck? Bro, what the hell? Look at the tires. Look at the tires, boy. They're Karen, bro. Look at a Karen, bro. Why is he being a Karen, guys? Oh, man. He got in trouble because he decided to listen to Goofer. That's just funny. God damn. Literally doing it over there. By the time we get over there, it's done. I told you. Alright. Look what just pulled up, boys. That thing is beautiful. I want me one of these, guys. Oh. This thing is sick. Get it, baby. Whoa. What you got?
This is fire.
What up? My boy Nerd, what up? Izzy, I see you, girl, what's good? Shout out my solids.
What are we doing right now? Now we're gonna take your mask. Beautiful ass E36. I like your car, dude.